Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best driller toggle is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any DIY enthusiast's arsenal. Today, we're diving deep into the world of these handy fasteners, exploring their incredible versatility and why they're a must-have for anyone tackling projects around the house. From drywall to hollow core doors, we'll uncover how these clever devices can save you time, effort, and a whole lot of frustration. Get ready to transform your projects with the power of the driller toggle. Number 5. Toggler SNAPTOGGLE BB Anchor, Zinc-Plated Steel. This anchor fits various hollow materials, including drywall and concrete block. It's suitable for mounting cabinets, TVs, and other fixtures. This makes the installation process much easier. The anchor attaches to the wall before you insert the bolt and fixture. This allows for convenient one-person installation and makes fixture changes simple. It's ideal for both home and office use. These anchors are manufactured in the USA. They are compatible with 1/4 to 20 UNC threaded metal bolts, which are sold separately. This ensures durability for your mounting applications. The anchor has an ultimate tensile strength of 265 pounds in 1/2 drywall and 1,080 pounds in concrete block when used with a 1/4 to 20 UNC bolt. Always follow safe working load guidelines to ensure safety. The anchor has a grip range from 3/8 to 3 to 5/8. This allows the product to be used in a variety of situations. This product is a great choice for many projects. What we like. This product is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. It's designed for easy, one-person installation, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a dependable anchor for various materials and projects, this is a great choice. What people say. Just drill a 1-2-inch hole, slide the toggle in and break off the plastic ends. Bolts can be taken in and out without damaging the toggle. I bought these to put in the top 2 shelves hardware and some other types of anchors for the bottom 2. As the top 2 shelves take more weight and stress, I felt that these would be a good solution and they definitely are. So easy to use, drill a hole, install into hole, pull and slide plastic fitting until tight and snap off. Number 4. Toggler SNAPTOGGLE Drywall Anchor. Introducing the Toggler SNAPTOGGLE Drywall Anchor. This anchor is designed for secure and reliable mounting in drywall and concrete block. It's a great choice for various applications. This anchor fits a variety of hollow materials, including drywall and concrete block. It's suitable for mounting cabinets, TVs, and other fixtures. This makes the installation process much easier. The TOGGLE drywall anchor allows for convenient one-person installation. You can attach it to the wall before inserting the bolt and fixture. This feature makes it ideal for both home and office use. Manufactured in the USA, this anchor is built with quality and durability in mind. It's compatible with 1/4 to 20 UNC threaded metal bolts. You can trust its reliability for your projects. The TOGGLE SNAPTOGGLE drywall anchors offer impressive strength. It can hold up to 265 pounds in 1/2 drywall. Always follow safe working load guidelines for optimal performance. What we like. This product comes with included bolts, making your installation even more convenient. It also features a one-person setup, simplifying the process. If you value ease of use and a complete package, this is the perfect option for your needs. What people say. Just drill a 1-2-inch hole, slide the toggle in and break off the plastic ends. Bolts can be taken in and out without damaging the toggle. For toggles and drywall holds my 55-inch TV without hitting a stud. Great product. Number 3. Heavy-duty drywall anchors and screws kit. Tired of pre-drilling? These drywall anchors eliminate the hassle. They are designed with a self-drilling feature, making hanging your items easier than ever. Made with high-quality zinc material, this set is built for durability. It's corrosion-resistant and designed to last for years, maintaining its functionality. These metal drywall anchors can handle up to 100 pounds. They are perfect for hanging picture frames, mirrors, and more. The kit includes 10 toggle anchors and 10 Phillips screws. The one-piece construction prevents any pieces from getting lost behind the wall. These wall anchors and screws are simple to install, especially compared to toggle bolts. With the included instructions, you can quickly and easily get your items hung. What we like. This product features a self-drilling design, eliminating the need for pre-drilling. It's also designed for heavy-duty applications, providing reliable support. If you are looking for a quick and easy installation process, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. They worked great once I figured them out. Strong. Quality-made product and easy to install. Easy to install and holds a lot of weight. Number 2. Mortice and Tenon Toggle Anchor Mounting Kit. Tired of buying different parts separately? This kit has everything you need for mounting heavy items. It includes toggle bolts, washers, an installation guide, and a custom drill bit. These anchors can hold up to 250 pounds in 1/2 inch drywall. They are perfect for applications where extra strength and security are essential, like TV wall mounts and shelves. Whether you're hanging a smart TV or assembling furniture, this product is up to the task. It's compatible with various materials, making it great for both indoor and outdoor projects. Installation is clean and efficient with the included custom drill bit and a screwdriver. You don't need complex tools, just precise, damage-free installation every time. Unlike traditional toggle bolts, this features a slim folding design. This is ideal for use in limited space areas or when it's hard to access the back side of the wall. What we like. This product comes as an all-in-one kit, including everything you need for installation. It's designed for heavy-duty applications, ensuring secure mounting. If you need a complete and robust solution for your mounting needs, you should consider this. What people say. These work great, better than the butterfly ones. I will say it makes a big hole with the bit but does get filled with the anchor. This is a good way to attach a heavy item to a wall. I like that everything you need to mount something is included in the box. That includes a drill bit of the proper size, the toggle, and bolts with washers. M&T heavy-duty zip-type toggle anchor kit includes the correct size drill bit that fits any standard drill, 5 anchors, 5 bolts and 5 washers. Number 1. Mounting Dream 37 to 75 inch TV wall mount. This Mounting Dream wall mount fits most 37 to 75 inch TVs and supports up to 132 pounds. It is compatible with various visa patterns and stud spacing. Check the weight, visa, and stud spacing to ensure it fits your TV. This low-profile design keeps the TV close to the wall. It provides a sleek look and saves valuable space in your room. The bracket is only 1.5 inches from the wall. The mount allows you to tilt your TV up to 8 degrees. This feature helps reduce glare and improves your viewing experience. Enjoy a better picture from any angle. Installation is simple with clear instructions and a level. It can be installed in just 3 steps. Note that additional anchors may be needed for concrete walls. We offer US-based customer service to assist you with any questions. Our team is available every day of the week to ensure your satisfaction. We are here to help. What we like. This product offers a space-saving design, keeping your TV close to the wall. It also features a tilt function to reduce glare and improve viewing angles. If you like a clean, streamlined look and enhanced viewing experience, you should consider this. What people say. Instructions were clear, hardware was well organized, and leveling was easy. Easy design. Installation was refreshingly straightforward. The instructions were clear, and the included level was a thoughtful touch that made alignment a breeze. It fits a wide range of stud spacings, 16, 18, 24, and supports up to 132 pounds, which gave me peace of mind mounting a 65 TV. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.